Everyone, hello. It's your one and only the DJ. If you have not subscribed, what are you waiting for? Go and subscribe and smash the notification bell so that if I put more video, you will be the first to be notified. My old bunga people, today topic na about Abat. Na about Abat because I'm not how money I wait for you. Or waiting here doleji. Abat, what did they play for your side? May you take am easy. Take am easy with everybody. Like seriously. The way you go to the behavior, just be like say, no, just give you the Nigeria, make you hold am for us. You take am easy now. Genocide, you don't let am drink water, you don't let am keep cup. Genocide, do foundation, you don't let am do am. You want do the foundation. You want do the foundation. You want help them do am. Me, I don't understand. This one not good. Call list the media not good. Genocide is not good. Who come good? You know I made the help people for that Nigeria day. You say people wey dey diaspora men will not bring money again. Now your money, now your sister they put the money, be na your brother. But take care easy. You know like genocide for one thing. And that guy was in your marriage upon as you do and rich, he come your marriage. When we take care easy, now you might be. The guy live in comfort zone. Go Nigeria, go there people. Now this is easy. You know easy now. When we take care easy, we just say they do the guy. He don't say come out, go America now. Why you get one America you talk? But when severe you say you say na politician that you be. You they work for law but say we focus on when na. No we say genocide again. When we take care easy. Oh we have do two agbe. God forbid. Not be the politics wanna share money give people. They begin to shout on social media with this they do it for their mind. I mean I go to where I go in here. There is the lesson no my back not give my hair. When we take care easy, we have your own don't pass Joromi. Take am easy. Osaku no hold the sick come out that day now. Only way the when you are behaving at you we remove phone. You say you know the big phone. No, you don't know what thing do you. But take care easy now. Take am easy. When I listen to Osaku no hold it. You know what you are behaving. Wow.
Alongside all Edo people, to ensure the emergence of Governor Godwin Obaseki, now have some little resentment in his mind against me. But despite the fact that he has numerously announced a series of videos that Osakwino is one of the great men I have seen, but I begin to wonder what has changed. As a few days ago, there were some hiccups on social media. I kept calm. I tried my possible best to remain focused in whatever I'm doing. But I'm surprised that Abadobaze is coming out to attack me. In Edo State today, we've done elections. I am a matured man. I would not want to have a problem when I have kids to cater for. After elections, under a normal situation, everybody goes to their normal business. I cannot begin to insult or attack people on a daily basis. Moreover, Abadobaze is not my godfather. Abadobaze is not my father. I senior Abadobaze when it comes to age. Abadobaze should not be the one to tell me what to do. And I have stated categorically clear to
me. Just want me now you go to tell them what they want to do. Like seriously.
If you want to have personal enemy, have it. It's your right. But do not drag me into it.
Yeah.
But the people are not already aware what is happening. The problem now is CFO. Survey is the problem. Abadobaze labeled me CDA in Edo State. Whereas I read about regional planning as a profession. And as of today, I am executing what I learned. By the power of God, I've been doing this job before now. But recently, those worldwide decided to give me their job. Did I offended Abat for getting the patronage of Edo people around the world? Abat as of today wants to try to label me as if I am against governor.
He say he not the big phone. Because you know the pick phone now, people they blame and say why you know the pick call. Now everyone start to the pick call now. Because they don't they give Osakwino the job. People they call them for the diaspora. And that one and be the jealous way just enter Abat body. Make Abat begin to invest for the guy. Me, I don't understand, though, really.
To ensure that Governor Obaseki emerge. Am I a fool to not live after our victory? Why is Abba trying to paint me as if I am fighting against what I worked for? I cannot come here to praise myself. I am not the kind of person that tries to say that I want to take credit. That was why on all my activity during campaign, I said, do not praise me in any of my activity because I am not the one spending my money.
Yeah.
People are using me to achieve their aim. Why you want to praise Sakunokudi, extend these greetings to those worldwide who is making it possible. Okay. Why is Abba fighting me? What have I done against Abba? What have I done? What have I done against Abba? John Usage is not good. Colin Sibudia is not good. This one is not good. That one is not good. Osakunokudi was good. So the Osakunokudi is not good. But the truth of the matter is simple. I will not blame Albert. Whether we like it or not, Albert tomorrow, you are my brother, you are my friend. I know you are seeing me as a threat. Your goal and objective is to ensure that I never have access to Governor Gordon Obaseki. I am not dragging for that.
Now only one they
I told the entire world. I said I will not work to one with the governor. I will end it.
Obaseki you never know those where they do so.
And by the power of God Almighty, I end it. I have a video to that effect where the governor walked to me directly to say, are you not to Sakunokodi? I cannot go and meet the governor to say, Mr. Governor, this is Sakunokodi. No. I am not dragging anything with you. I am not dragging anything with you. About Obase, don't just tarnish my image. If you want to hold the governor, hold him, no problems. But I know that when necessary, I must come out to defend the collective interest of the Edo people and the governor himself. Now, after election, we all are supposed to come together as a team. Let me give a classical example. Will I now say, because of the fact that Emmanuel Agbogun supported APC.
Somebody they call me inside, bro. The phone when I say they play the.
And after the election, we not see Emmanuel Agbogun passing.
Hey.
We are afraid. We see politics is a game of numbers.
Yeah.
You can't force people to support you. You can only negotiate and call them.
Yes.
Them to be part of the process. No. If let.
When I wait to make I play a battle. When I hear waiting in talk.
A beautiful afternoon, friends. For something, Amama Douglas created his own group. Oh, everybody can create group, but on my own I survive. So after everything, I can create Cracks in Nigeria. Created Cracks in Nigeria. So since then, me with Sakunokodi we talk. Recently, I stopped picking his calls.
Why?
Now me stop to the pick his calls. Because before now, I told my team, I said, that game of Sakunokodi was playing with me. He will attack me finish, but can't call me for phone. You don't know how it take carry contract during my fight with John Usage. Can't carry contract from Zion. He rubbish me. So Sakunokodi, me and your issue, don't be today start. Don't say that narrative to my people. Because the people that are following you today, they are my people. Now me hold them.
Yeah, they are your people.
I know the suffer when I suffer for those in diaspora not to leave Obaseki. Not be only me, many people join. I know what mention this. I know what me do. For years, I dedicated my platform. Just like there's somebody sent me an audio. Was I going to go in WhatsApp? Somebody sent me audio in WhatsApp group. One woman they insult me. Say, "Atia batega ni emwe phone. Ma atia we don't call me. Ma already have to atia emwe call. A comrade of any man." I believe the woman is watching me now. Or say the comrade. I am always working. I don't pick calls. Till tomorrow. Ask my people when know me.
I beg you, Albert, take a easy. The way you say they go about the team. My people, the video too long. I'm not going to play everything, my people. So the way Albert they do so na good thing. Make him let genocide get drink water, keep cup. When he said genocide get leave us Sakunokodi. They are your brothers, your Edo brother for that matter. When we take care easy, Albert. Take care easy. You only you want just deal with Obaseki. We're more Obaseki than we are. We take care easy. May you love one your brothers them. care easy now. The way we say they go about the thing, not just me, not good for her at all. Now this little advice I say make I give you. When you leave John Osage, make it do it work. When face a politics or way, you face your politics. You leave John Osage alone. Leave John Osage, leave Osakwudo Wodi. You focus on your politics. This woman or anybody that secure Obaseki. They make you go carry Obaseki. Well, take care easy. I beg. The youth they do protest that day. You they do that say you not be youth again at all. 4 years they cannot. After that 4 years now we get bien. And then have a few party whenever I'm with Tony Kabaka for. So maybe you use your HQ. Take a easy. You know you carry enemy for everybody because of Obaseki. Take a easy, my brother. Yeah. Yeah, the book I make born on today give on all of them are the ordinary ground. So maybe you use your HQ. Take a easy. I be more I may give advice to. Abat for comment section. Whether about they do so, whether I go to you on Abati, you can leave your comments for the comment section. Bye everybody. I'm always put thumbs up for my video anytime you watch my videos. Bye.